Hello and welcome to Tortle Ninja. In DeFi, it's important to understand what a liquidity pool is and how liquidity needs to be properly managed. We last talked about how liquidity pools are a key component of many DeFi protocols, seeing as they supply various DEXs and DeFi platforms with necessary liquidity. Typical liquidity pools, particularly those involving token pairs like ETH and BTC, have liquidity providers who make balanced contributions for each token. For providing this liquidity and making sure the market operates smoothly, they get compensated with a small fee as a reward. As with everything in DeFi, however, providing liquidity still carries some risks. One major risk is impermanent loss. This happens when the value of the tokens in the pool changes after they've been added. If the price of a token goes down in the pool, then the value of what the liquidity provider deposited in the pool goes down with it. It's considered impermanent because the loss only happens once the provider withdraws their assets at the changed price. To address impermanent loss, some protocols have incentives which are known as liquidity mining or farming. This is when DeFi protocols offer additional rewards to liquidity providers in the form of new tokens. While that helps combat impermanent loss, it also introduces a new problem in the form of token inflation. It happens when the new tokens are sold off for other assets, which reduces their value, which then leads to more incentives just to maintain liquidity. To mitigate this, year-end finance vaults were introduced by Andre Cronje, designed to automatically sell the reward tokens accumulated through liquidity mining. While they managed inflation, it also made them highly sensitive to sudden changes in market conditions. With these concerns in mind, Tortle Ninja has an advanced solution for liquidity management, a unique conditional layer known as combo triggers or simply triggers. With triggers, we can adapt our DeFi strategies to any market condition by having them execute actions such as selling an asset at a specific price or preventing liquidation in a leveraged position. Our analytics engine ensures you receive real-time data on profit and loss and annual percentage yield no matter what product you've invested in. Tortle Ninja guarantees you have access to accurate information regarding how your investments are performing, while also allowing you to automate certain actions in response to any sudden change in market conditions. Thanks for watching!